In other news, a 16-year-old boy is dead after a suspected shark attack in Trelawny. The teen's dismembered body washed ashore the Falmouth fishing village earlier today. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Tears rolled down the cheeks of Michael Reed while coroners placed the body of his son in a van behind him. 16-year-old Jamari Reed reportedly went spearfishing on Monday. He never returned home. On Tuesday, his body was found in the vicinity of the Falmouth fishing village. His head and one of his arm were missing.
I'm feeling so bad, man. So bad. And something we argue about, we talk about, we fight about. You understand? He's not doing it for heroic cause, he's not doing it for needy or anything.
The community suspects it was a shark attack. Fisherman Alistair Hines theorized that the sharks often follow the cruise ships on a Monday when they dock in the town centre. It was around that time the teen was fishing. The fisherman, who was among a group of disturbed onlookers, say while shark sightings aren't unusual, they've never attacked this close to the shore.
I went to see him see fish, swimming and see fish drop beside me. And as Pound drop beside me, I take him myself. I not attack him, I not beat him. I get a chance to move and I move.
No man, it forced me to experience. I hear about it somewhere else, but no, it forced me to see it as well.
Jamari Reed was a student of the William Nib High School. His father says he was preparing for back to school next week. In short, sharp breaths, Mr. Reed tried speaking with us.
Trust me, it's so bad, man. This is what it is still, you know?
But even as the police and the community tried to make sense of the case, fishermen were getting ready to go out to sea. Mr. Hines, now a 71-year-old retired fisherman, gave this word of caution to the public.
Careful, look for the unexpected. Look for the unexpected and don't panic. You can't panic at sea in a coward. So you have to have the bravest mind and heart every time. You have to look out for the unexpected. You're in the boat, you're alone. Monsters coming from all angles, you don't know where they're coming from. You can fish for half pound, but a bigger one will feed him. So that you have to look for the unexpected at sea.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.